Suppose you're working on an Excel sheet which has a lot of calculations, and you want to verify if the calculations being done are correct or not, because just in case if result of any calculation is input to another calculation, then obviously the entire chain of the calculations would result to some wrong answer. So we would want to avoid that kind of instance, and that's where we verify all the calculations which are done on an Excel sheet. So for example, if we are having this Excel sheet which has these calculations, so let's say 10, these are basic ones, not fancy at all. So if you double click on each of them, they will show what kind of calculation is being done, like this over here. So we want to verify if these calculations are correct or not. So we want to see all of them, all of the calculations in one single screen. How will you do that? So there is this key combination which is control and tilde symbol, which is on the left side of the number 1 key or numerical 1 key. So just click on that while pressing control key, and you will be shown all the calculations in one single snapshot. So as you can see, these are the calculations. So this gives a chance to us, or a way to us, by which we can see all the calculations which are there in the sheet in one single go or one single window. So you don't have to double click on each of the cells to check the calculation, as now you can see all of the calculations whatsoever are there in the sheet. So it saves you a lot of time, and the chances of committing a mistake because of missing out any particular calculation or missing out any of the cells reduces greatly. As you can see, all of these small calculations are now visible to us. If had been the case wherein these were not possible, we would have to just double click on these cells individually. So it takes a lot of time, and God forbid if we are having the entire sheet full of calculations, then it would be really hard to identify or pinpoint where did we miss out or where did we commit any mistake. And that's where this control and tilde key combination works like charm, because it gives you an opportunity or a window to see all of the calculations in one single go.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.